I got this idea from a guy who said they use this in the military. It's basically a piece of string with a small weight, in my case an old rubber seal, and you use that to help park your car in the same place accurately every time. Okay, so here's how to park your car the same place every time. Into drive. I'm going to slowly move forward, a little bit bump as I go into the garage. There you go. You basically aim for the rubber seal to touch the windscreen wiper, and as it does, you're parked perfectly. There you go. Same position every time. Okay, give you some idea how accurate I was. Look at that, millimetres to spare. And you get it like that every time. As I say, there you go, there's your rubber seal touching the windscreen wiper. I generally aim for the windscreen washers. They are attached to the roof. Obviously you've got to be accurate with your hook in the roof. Now my garage isn't particularly small, it's a double garage, but width, or length sorry, is an issue. I've got enough room to walk past, but barely that, and you can see it from the front, there's not much room either. So if you want to park your car accurately every time, and you're lucky enough to have a garage, this idea is quite useful.